Good morning, children. A very warm welcome to you all. Today we are on session 6. We'll be learning application of this new sutra, Sankalana, Vyavakalana, Abhyam. Sankalana means adding up, Vyavakalana means giving up. Okay. So what does this mean in English? It's just by addition and by subtraction. Okay, so we'll see how to add by addition and then by subtraction. Okay, so here we'll be adding the nearest tens and then reducing the deficiency. In the other sutra, Yavadunam, we had learnt what deficiency is and how to use it, right? So it's another example of using the deficiency. So let's look at that example. 82 add 17. Here we can notice that 82 is nearer to 80 and excess by 2, or it is, if we want to look at the next tens, it is nearer to 90 and deficient by 8. Similarly, 17 is deficient to become 20 by 3. Right, so it's easier to add smaller numbers, deal with smaller numbers, right? So we'll use this 17. Okay, what we will do is we will first add up the nearest 10, that is 20, 8 to 82, so it becomes 102, and then we reduce it by the deficiency because we added 3 more, right? So we'll reduce it by 3, the answer becomes 99. Okay, so let's look at another example, 34 and 59. Clearly 59 is deficient by 1 to become 60, which is a smaller number, right? So we'll add 34 to 60, right? So that becomes 94, and then we'll reduce the 1 because we had added 1 more when we made it to nearest 10, right? So the answer becomes 93. Okay, so let's look at another example, 832 add 187. Previously we have learnt various techniques to add up faster, right? We can use that as well, just for the purpose of showing how this sutra works here. 187 is nearer to 200 and is deficient by 13, right? So what we can do is we can add up 200 to 832, which is 1032, then reduce 13 from it. So that means 1019 is the answer. We can do it by number splitting and other techniques as well. Okay, so try these. This is the last session for addition. We learnt elementary maths application with respect to addition by application of sutras, Vedic sutras, right? So we'll move on to subtraction, next topic of elementary maths, which is subtraction. Okay, and we'll have couple of more sessions on subtraction. Now same sutra can be applied for subtraction as well. We'll first subtract the nearest 10 and then we'll add the deficiency. Let's see how we do it. With an example, 82 less 17. Again 17 is nearer to 20 and deficient by 3, right? That's a small number. 82 will give a larger deficiency, so we'll go with the smaller one. We'll reduce 20 from 82, which is 60, just 8 minus 2, right, which becomes 62. Then we will add the 3 deficiency. We had reduced 3 more, right, by making it to nearest 10. Instead of 17 we had reduced 20, so that 3 deficiency we have to add it back now. So the answer becomes 62 plus 3, which is 65. Okay, let's look at one more example, 98 less 22. Here we'll follow a little different technique, but we can as well follow what I explained for the previous example. Here 22 is nearer to 20, right? It is just excess by 2, right? It is 2 32 more than 20. We can use that. We can as well do that 22 is nearer to 30. Okay, try it out. Now what we can do is 98, we'll less 20 first, which becomes 78. We have 2 more to be deducted, right? If we deduct that 2 more, then it becomes, this answer becomes 76. So if we want to do it by next nearest 10, what we will be doing? We'll be reducing 30 from 98, which becomes 68, and we'll be adding up the deficiency 8 to 68, which again becomes 76 only. Okay, both ways are correct. Let's look at one more example. 339 less 98. Clearly 98 is very near to 100, right? Just 2 less than 100. So what we can do is, we'll reduce 100 from 339, which becomes 239. Then we'll add the 2 deficiency. So the answer becomes 241. Okay, pretty simple, right? Subtraction becomes so simple. So try these as practice. Only by practice you can make your calculations faster. By now you should have noticed that you're doing faster calculations. You can do them mentally as well. Okay, so just practice them daily with your maths. It will improve your speed, calculation speed. Okay, so summarize, we learned the application of the sutra Sankalana Vyavakalanabhyam for addition and subtraction as well. Okay, then we did it by taking the numbers nearer to the base, mostly the next tens to the number, okay, which is a multiple of a 10, and we added from left to right. Okay, that's very important here. So visit the website for daily practice problems and practice them daily. That will help you make your calculations faster. Thank you. See you in the next session.